Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil on a Porsche Cayman. First, gather your essential tools and materials. You will need an 8mm hex socket, an oil filter wrench, and a reliable torque wrench. Also, prepare a large drain pan, 8 quarts of Porsche-approved synthetic oil, a new oil filter, and a fresh drain plug crush washer. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely lifted on jack stands on a level surface. Warming the engine slightly for about 15 minutes helps the old oil drain more thoroughly. Now that your car is ready, let's drain the old oil. Begin by opening the oil filler cap located in the trunk. This helps the oil flow out more easily. Next, carefully position your large drain pan beneath the engine. Using an 8mm hex socket, remove the drain plug. Be cautious, as the oil will be hot. Allow the oil to drain completely for at least 20 to 30 minutes to ensure maximum removal of contaminants. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and refill. Use a 14-flute oil filter cap removal tool to loosen and remove the old oil filter, then replace its O-ring. Install the new oil filter and tighten the cap to 19 foot-pounds. Next, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, torquing it to 37 foot-pounds. This ensures a proper seal and prevents leaks. Finally, let's complete the oil change and perform essential checks. Carefully add approximately 7 3/4 to 8 quarts of your new, approved synthetic engine oil. Once filled, start the engine briefly to build oil pressure, then thoroughly check for any leaks around the drain plug and the oil filter housing. After the engine has cooled for at least 10 minutes, verify the oil level using your car's electronic gauge, ensuring it is within the recommended range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.